Okay, we are back with my SquareBody, and I have completely ripped out the harness. It's actually up there, so we'll give you a quick little look of what we're looking at here. I don't know what you can and can't see, so there's no more engine harness completely out. It came out of that hole back there. Currently working on taking off just truck side harness. Battery is out, and we're gonna work on getting this out. We're just working on stripping it down. If you've never done anything like this before, I highly recommend labeling everything. I don't know if you can read that. I don't know if it's backwards for you or what. But, so this is gonna go on the terminal, like I said, I was taking apart. Just go in, I'll tape them both together with this. Stick it together. I'll somehow be able to read it, hopefully. Yeah. So just giving you a quick look here, what I'm looking at. These provide power to the harness that goes inside to the fuse panel. And then this goes to the alternator. And then this wire that also came off goes down to the starter, which provides the starter power. And then we'll just slide it down through there. I'll pop this off, slide it down through, get it out. Pop this off because the truck doesn't run anymore. And yeah, the idea here, the whole idea is that if I separate this in one chunk, I don't have to rewire the truck in a mess. So hopefully I can retain the whole harness inside the cab and then retain the harness outside of the cab. So when I go to put it in the new cab, I can just kind of push it all together on the inside. If you want to talk about bad luck, I just bought these at Harbor Freight. I cut this one open and I broke it open. That's the handle. I fell in this thing of oil. Why? Why? Good news is it'll never rust. Bad news is it's slick as all shit, but brand new, unused, right in the fucking oil. I'm gonna get up the headlight harness off. One, two. Yeah, how's that? Fucking horn. Label everything. I don't know if you can see it down in there, but I'm moving the whole thing, okay? I got a ground wire right there, a little chassis ground. So I have a whole new core support with the quad lamps. This is actually a rare core support, so if you're ever looking for one, I really recommend Arizona because, you know, they're completely rust-free. And my friend Duncan found me one, thankfully. I gotta get this bolt out, get this off, and I have one stuck in here. I'm gonna have to get that out. But other than that, we'll keep going. Wow. Holy shit. This whole thing is actually twisting before the bolt lets go. I don't know if you can see it. Get you close. So this whole piece is actually twisting before the bolt lets go, which is kind of crazy. So I'm gonna have to just spray that, and I might even have to just take this piece off entirely to get it out. So this is kind of picking up in the middle. I left working on this the other day, but so now we're gonna work the inner fenders out. So I got to get this off so I can get this out. Then I can drain this, and it won't be such a big deal. This inner fender for the most part is ready to go. There's nothing attached to it anywhere, so that's good. Look at that bad boy. So yeah, otherwise, whole wiring harness is out. Front end's all tore apart, as you can see, which is in the video anyway. I'm falling over things, so I'm gonna get that taken off, then I'll get these inner fenders out, and I can get that drained. Oh, good. Why wouldn't there be another nut on the backside? Oh, you wow. Oh, shit. They're never that bad, but they hurt like hell. Holy shit! I'm stuck. Oh, nope, got it. What the f was that? I'm gonna need a tetanus shot after this. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. It won't even probably focus. You can see a little point on it for no reason. No reason at all. All right, so this is now moving around. So what I can do is pull this inner fender. Hopefully it should go all right. And yeah, I'm not sure what to expect, honestly. shit. Holy shit, hockeys. So after filleting my fingers, because I did these ones too. First inner fender's out. This is the hard one. I had to get some stuff off. But like, look at this. This is ridiculous. This is what makes this. This is all rust. Just absolutely cooked. Holes everywhere. So now I gotta get the other one. I'm not gonna record it because it's kind of the same process, but yeah. So now we got an inner fender out. We're way more open up here. So it's another one out, another inner fender out. They bolt here, there, and along this whole piece. I'm gonna have to take these fenders off and I'll clean them up on the inside. And then I'll paint them anyway, but once I get the fenders off, eventually, I'll paint them up, get it looking pretty again. So today we're gonna move on to taking out the radiator. It's pretty good size. Look at this bad Larry. We've already taken a couple hoses off. We got this hose off, this hose off, this one that goes to the reservoir. Gonna have to undo this, take this out, and I think that's everything hose-wise. Then I'll pop off the fan shroud and go from there. So I'll set you guys up and we'll get started on this masterpiece. So I'm trying to get this hose or this pipe off, and we'll have to get this one off down below it. So yeah. This one's got a leak. I mean, it's directly, yeah, there it goes. That's gonna release pretty much all the fluid in it. On a very slow drip. That is worst case scenario. Absolutely worst. So I made a very big mess. It's all coolant. The coolant's all over the place. I didn't even think to see about draining it another way. This was just kind of an impulsive thing. Don't be impulsive. Do everything the right way the first time. So, but anyway, now, gotta pop this shroud off. You got one screw. There's probably a couple elsewhere maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing here. We're gonna figure it out though. All right, so with the fan shroud out, all that's left is the radiator. Got bolts there. Still dripping. There's probably still some in it, I'm sure. But I was holding it this way. I don't really know why. There's probably still some in here. So we'll get this loosened up, and then it should come out. Should come out. We'll see. As I thought, there is some in there. Oh no! Mother! This can't keep happening. Just gonna sit here and let it drain, I guess. Just let go. Okay, so to end the video off, we've got the radiator out, fan shroud out, everything in the front is out. I gotta get the trans cooler off next, but what I really need to worry about is I gotta get the hood off, but I need my dad to help me with that, so then I can get the fenders off, and then I can worry about getting the whole core support off. Once that's off, I'll then really be able to get getting the cab off. There's some stuff in the cab I still need to finish up. I need to get the brakes unhooked from the inside, the shifter linkage unhooked, stuff like that. Pretty simple stuff. Gas pedal. Other than that, it shouldn't be too bad. It's the shift linkage right there I'm playing with. Anyway, so if you like this video, hit the like button down below. Subscribe if you are new. I appreciate you guys watching, tuning in. We're going dark here. It's getting darker. I don't know what the deal is. It's terrible. We got to be here where you can see me the whole time. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.